Hello, welcome to Harley-Davidson Gateshead, home of Harley-Davidson here in the northeast. My name's Scott and today I'm bringing you a Sportster 48 model. As you can see, it's stacked full of accessories and is in the denim white colour. Starting at the front of this bike, we have got the Fatboy solid wheels, and we also have a Fatboy headlight. We've got the Hollywood handlebars and nostalgia grips for a wide ride, and we've got a really cool fuel cap in the shape of a crown. This model has the 1200 air-cooled Evolution engine and a chrome retro air cleaner cover. We've fitted Vance and Hines mini grenades to give it a really deep sound while you're riding along. Moving on from there, we've got a spring saddle for an old school feel and look to the bike. As well as that, it also has a side mounted number plate. This model hasn't been on the road, so it is classed as brand new. We've got loads of accessories throughout the bike, as you can see. If you like the look of this model, please give us a call for all latest offers. Thank you.